Okay, I'm going to show you how to set up your Google Drive and to share things using that. Um, we're going to use this a lot this year, so I just wanted to jump right in and get started. So, I would always use Google Chrome. It just seems to work better. Safari has some weird glitches. So I would always use Google Chrome. If you don't know how to get to that, you go down to your little rocket ship here at the bottom, open it up, and it should be on your second page of apps here. Now you need to go to Google first, and up in the right hand corner here, you're going to sign in and you're going to use your school email address and password. Now, I've signed in before, so that's why mine shows up. I also have a personal email here, but you want to always use your school email as a default because when they send things out on Canvas or through email or on Echo for us, it's going to go through your school email. So you always want to make sure that you're using that one. So I'm going to type in my password here. So after you're signed in, it should have a little circle up here. I changed the picture, and you can too if you want to, but this is my school email, obviously. You navigate through the apps and stuff through Google here with this little waffle, and if you click on Google Drive, here, it'll take you to your storage space. So this is a great place to store files and they will always be there. They're not going to be deleted unless you delete them. And it's a place where you can share and collaborate together on documents, which is really handy. So we will expect you to know how to use this and to be able to use it this year. So obviously, as you can see, I have lots of files and you can organize them into actual file folders. And so you could I would suggest making one for all of your classes. And how you do that is you go up to new and you create a new folder. And so make one for BioLit, make one for your math class, make one for, maybe crafts or something like that if you have that, or any of the other classes that you have if you have Spanish or something like that. So you can organize your files and keep things in there. So definitely make one for BioLit. As I said, also, this is a place where you can share documents and work together. So we're going to create a Google Doc, and then you're going to share that within the people sitting at your table and kind of show how this works. So what you're going to do is you're going to pick one person at your table to kind of create this, and you're all going to work together then within that Google Doc. So pick one person as kind of your team leader for this activity, and you're going to create a Google Doc. And then that person is going to title this practice activity. And then that person is going to title the page Goals for the 2017-2018 school year. And they are going to write their goal for this school year. And so I'm going to write my name, and then I'm going to write what my goal is. My goal is to grade papers every night and return them to the students the following day. Okay. Now, I need to get this to other people sitting at my table, so I need to share it with them. Now, you need to go up here in the corner to the share button. So right now, I'm the only person that has access to this. So I want more people to have access to it. So I can type in their email addresses here. So say I wanted to share this with the other facilitators. I would start typing Mrs. Mobley's name. And I would type Mrs. McAleese's name. And Mrs. Deans's name. Okay. And you want them to be able to edit this document. So you have viewing options here. So you can have it where people can actually edit your document and change things on there. They could just comment on it, or they could just view that. So sometimes I'll send things to you to just view because I don't want you to edit it. But there might be times when I send things to you to actually be able to edit. So when you want to work as a group to collaborate, you want it to always be the can edit. And then you're going to hit the send button here. I'm not going to do this because they don't need this sent to them. But then you're going to send it to the people sitting at your table. And so then those of you that are having this document shared with you, you're going to get it a couple of places. One, you're going to get it in your email. And then two, it's going to show up in your Google Drive under Shared with Me. And so if you go to your Google Drive here and you go over to Shared with Me, it's going to show up here as that being a document that was shared with you. So go ahead and open that up, and then you can add your goals to that page. And also, one other person that you need to make sure you share it with is just make sure you share it with me. And my email address here, I'll just add it to this document. Is that. So you just want to make sure that you share it with me so that I know that you did this. Now remember, you're not all creating this, and you're just having one team leader create the document and share it with everyone at the table, and then all the rest of you just add your goals to that page as well. Okay, I think that's it, and we'll keep using this throughout the year a lot more.